Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome to the May 2026 SheetLoad Showcase. Make sure to stick around so you get lots more inspiration using the latest free printable. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my creative team has made using the latest SheetLoad of Cards. And for today, that is the May 2026 edition. Don't forget, you can download this for free as a subscriber. Just check out the debut video linked in the description box below. Also, while you're down there, I have linked the process video, which I show you how I made my first 12 cards, which here on the desktop are 2 of those 12. In that video, I give you lots of tips and tricks so you can make your 12 tent topper cards in no time at all. I have also been very busy with this edition myself. Let me show you some of the other cards that I have made. Before I share my additional cards, I did want to stop by with a little Spring Advent 2026 update. If you participated in my 8-day live stream series and collected the secret words, I have now uploaded the recap and giveaway rules video. In that video, I share all about the series, including a little recap or walk down memory lane, announce the jelly bean bonus winners, and tell you how to enter your secret words for the grand prize. You do still have almost a week to get that form filled out, so make sure to check out the video. I will have it linked in the description box below, and it will also be in the upper right now as a card. Last weekend, I did a SheetLoad live stream where I let the viewers help me make design decisions, and here is a look at one of the 12 cards I created during that. Also during that live stream, I let my members know how they could get access to a free SVG cut file for fun sentiment tent toppers. Here is the one I used on the live video, and I also made one that says hello. So you can go to the membership tab or the monthly blogs to find out how to download these files. Now, one thing I did learn when I made this set, which I did this off camera, is that if you're going to use the one that just says hello, you might want to make your card base 4 1/4 by 4 inches when folded, and make your background piece 3 3/4 inches. That way it's going to be a little bit taller. You will see here that it's just a little bit shorter than a standard A2 card. But again, SheetLoad is always a great jumping off point for you to make these cards your own. Also off camera, I played with another pattern paper collection that I let live viewers vote on during the live stream, and I made a couple cards using the butterfly set. I think this was the runner-up, and I was kind of hoping this is the one that would get chosen. What I did was, again, I cut all of the Hello Friends and the shadows from white cardstock. For 1/2, I added persimmon, I believe ink this was, to my die, or my die cut Hello Friend, and left the shadow white. And then for the other half, I did some ombre ink blending in the background. Not sure if you can tell, but then I left the sentiment white, and that background shadow with the ink blending helps that stand out. I did make a YouTube short where I showed these cards, and if you want to watch the replay of the live stream, I will have both of these linked down in that description box below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what my team created. Before I share a look at those cards, I did want to stop by with a special channel member shout out. I would like to say welcome and thank you to my newest paper trimmer level members, Flamingo Central, Amy Harris, and Mary Youngblood. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You helped to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of Cards free for all subscribers. If you're ever interested in finding out more about the perks of membership, you can click on the join button below this video to find out more. Up first in today's showcase is Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts. She used the May 2026 sheet load to create a set of 12 holiday cards. I'm loving those vintage focal points and how she has put her sentiment on a fishtail banner down at the bottom. Next up, and featured in this month's thumbnail, is Carmen from the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. When I first saw these as a sneak peek during a channel member live, my mouth dropped open. I just love the gorgeous papers and the die cuts that she has done for the circle focal points. Make sure to check out her video to get more details. You can always count on Ashley from Mint Twist Cards to make a sheet load of sheet loads. This month, she created a variety of themes on her cards. I'm loving the different looks with all of the patterns and how she has used pattern papers on some of her focal circles. Reagan, who shares over on the Uniquely Reagan YouTube channel, created a set of birthday cards this month. I am in love with the pairing of the polka dots and plaid along with those cute focal points. Justine of the Stationery by Justine channel has created a set of cards that would be perfect for any of your crafty friends. I am loving the bright colors and the cute die cuts on the focal points. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates YouTube channel created a sheet load of Mother's Day cards with the May 2026 printable. I am loving those gorgeous papers and the beautiful focal points. This sheet load of cards from Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun YouTube channel is sure to make any of the recipients smile. I just love those adorable focal points and how she has added some ribbon and buttons to her cards. Letty of Party Planner Papery used the latest printable to create a sheet load of holiday cards. I'm loving the fun bright papers and that oversized ephemera used for the focal points. Toby, who shares over on the Bitty Penny YouTube channel, decided to turn the May 2026 tent topper cards into treat bag toppers, so make sure to stop by her video to find out more information. Lauren from the Lauren Taylor Made YouTube channel created a killer set of fandom cards using the May 2026 printable. I love how she has used an ooey gooey stencil for some of her pattern paper and the fun focal points. Weren't those all so fabulous? If you agree, give this video a thumbs up and let me know maybe a technique you saw on one of their cards that was your favorite. Don't forget you can check out all of their videos if you want to know more about their cards by using the playlist for this month, and that is going to be in the description box below, and I'll also have it as an end card at the end of this video. If you have not yet had the chance to hop around and see what everyone created, I know that they would love for you to do that, and while you're there, don't forget to leave them some love, give their video a thumbs up, share it with a crafty friend, and leave a kind comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for being here today, and until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.